Finally, add the swede and the carrots. And then into the oven. Spicy autumn stew.
Dad, what about the spice?
What? Oops.
Here you go.
Thanks, Izzy.
Timer's set, Dad.
You'll make a great chef one day. Now for dessert. I thought I'd make baked apples. Maggie's got some for me.
Oh, can I go and get them?
OK, don't forget your cycle helmet.
OK, see you later.
Bye.
Here he is, Shane the Chef. How on earth are you going to win the bet with Mario, Dad?
I think I've got just the thing.
I'm going to film it for the Shane the Chef channel.
Let's get cooking. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and you have a simply delicious tricolore salad. Here you go, Mario.
I hope you've got a good football recipe, Shane.
Well, I don't think I'm going to need it. Ta-da!
Look, Mama! It's just like the Italian flag. Yum.
That's something I thought I would never see.
So, Mario, do I win our bet?
Yes, it's yummy.
Here he is, Shane the Chef. Now, Mum, what would Dad do? Peas! That's it! Here's your soup. Thanks for helping me in the kitchen.
Fantastic.
JG said the tomato soup was delicious, but this tomato and pea soup's even better. It is indeed superb.
Thanks, Mrs. Singh. I'll, definitely tell Dad. Actually, I'd better get on with filming. Here he is, Shane the Chef. Mum used to lay the tables every morning.
I know it's tough without her, but we're doing okay, aren't we?
It was Mum that got me interested in cooking. Remember when she let me help make stuffed peppers?
I remember. You stuffed them with garlic, tomatoes and anchovies. You wouldn't eat anything else for weeks.
Morning, Shane. Morning, Izzy. Shane? Izzy? Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's fine. Right, Izzy?
Remembering Mum?
Yeah.
Oh.
Garlic, tomatoes, everything looks great. No red peppers.
Oh, there are some in my greenhouse that might be ready. Oh, are you sure you're okay, Izzy?
I'm okay.
Yeah, she's been spending too much time helping me in the kitchen. What she needs is some girl time. Tell you what, why don't you two girls have a day in town? I'll take care of things on the farm.
What do you know about farming?
I run a very busy restaurant. I'm sure I can look after the farm for a day.
Well, if you're sure. There are only 3 things that need to be done today. Feed the animals, collect the eggs, water the crops.
And pick the red peppers.
So, Izzy, up for some fun?
You bet. Bye, Dad.
Bye, you two.
Morning, Shane. I've got a good catch for you today. What have you got there?
Izzy and Maggie are having a girls' day out. So, I'm going to do the jobs on the farm.
Here he is, Shane the Chef. Eddie, where did he go?
Look, there he is.
Look, there he goes.
Over there.
I can see him. Dad, catch him.
Got ya. No, I haven't. Got you this time. Oh.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, Eddie.
What are we going to serve our customers now?
I think I've got just the thing. We've turned Maggie's leftovers into delicious sweet potato chips. And to make them extra special...
We add the leftover cheese I found in the fridge.
Good job, Izzy. Come here, you.
Here he is, Shane the chef. I think that's the one I need.
I told you. I used to be pretty good at this. The secret is to stay nice and quiet. Oh. Hey, don't go. No. Let's get a look at you.
Hey, wow.
Oh, is that on your list?
Yes, Robin. Got it.
Well, you found your robin, but I've still not found my blackberries. Ouch!
Ooh.
Ow!
Squirrel. Got it.
Now, where are those blackberry bushes? Huh? Oh, nothing.
Dad, look.
What? Oh!
Blackbird. Got it.
I just don't understand it. Still no blackberries.
Never mind, Dad. I only have to spot a hedgehog, and that's the lot.
Look! A hedgehog!
Where, Dad?
No, come back, little fella. Izzy's got to tick you off. Where do you go? He's got to be in here somewhere.
Hedgehog. Got it. All done. I got the hedgehog, Dad. Can we go home now?
Yes, but I'm, stuck.
Dad.
Oof. Told you we'd get your homework done.
Here he is, Shane the chef. Hi, Dad. I've got your beetroot.
Brilliant.
Maggie says you can make cake with it. Is that for real?
That's it. That can be today's special. Beetroot cupcakes. Izzy, you're a genius.
I thought beetroot was only for salads.
Aha, that's where you're mistaken. Beetroot's a wonderful vegetable. Such a lovely pink colour.
Quick! We need a referee!
Huh?
I am definitely the best footballer.
No, you're not. I scored 10 goals for the school team last season.
That's only because I was injured.
Seriously?
Are you two still arguing about football?
Only because Honey won't agree I'm a better footballer than her.
I'm just as good as you.
Well, there's only one way to find out. A football tournament.
Count me in. Back in the day, I was the best scorer in my class. Over to me, honey.
To you, Dad.
Ouch.
I'll show you how it's done. Now, when I was playing in the Mackerel Marauders, we won the Fisherman's League 20 times in a row.
Fisherman's League? Amateurs! Italy is the true home of football.
Keep it for the pitch, please. Honey, Mario, you're the team captains. I'll be the referee. And the winning team gets my special cupcakes.
I hope they're chocolate.
Maybe with a little something extra.
Come on, Mario. Let's pick our teams.
And I'd better go and boil my beetroot.
Here he is, Shane the chef. We need to add something to bulk the soup out. Something like... pasta.
Pasta? We can make minestrone. Izzy, you're a genius. OK, we've got a restaurant full of hungry customers. So, let's get cooking. We did it.
And we've got some really good footage for your channel. All part of a day about town for a super chef. Eh, Dad?
Yeah, but there is one more thing Super Chef and his trusty apprentice have to do.
What's that?
The washing up.
Aww.